Ninakaribisha Governor Cecily Mbarire kutoka Embu.
Asante. Thank you very much, my sister Susan, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, our First Lady, our Second Lady, all protocols observed. Nataka kuwasalimia wananchi, hamjambo, Bwana asifiwe. Mimi nimeshukuru sana kuwa hapa siku ya leo, and I'm glad because I was here for such prayers in 2013. And we promised God that if He grants us victory, we would come back here in Nakuru to say thank you. Lakini hatukurudi. No wonder everything went downhill later, because we forgot to say thank you to God. So I thank God, Your Excellency, that we are back again to where it all started, to say thank you to God, because He fought for us a major battle that we had last year. And we thank God that you are not only the President of Kenya, but that you are steering this nation in the right direction. Mimi nataka kuomba tu, because you've heard what the men of God have told us. Please stay focused. Don't lose sight of the major goal that is ahead of us, which is to revive our economy. Kusaidia wakulima ambao wanataabika kwa sababu chakula yao haiwaletei pesa. Please remember the tea farmers, the coffee farmers, the milk farmers, the potato farmers, the dengu farmers, the cotton farmers, because that is where it all matters for mwananchi. And we are going to support you as the governors of the entire country, as we promised in Naivasha, and we know you have a good plan for us. Finally, Your Excellency, usiuziwe uoga. Usiuziwe uoga kama vile mwenzetu aliuziwa uoga akakubali handshake ambayo ilitupeleka chini. Na sisi ukiona umeuziwa uoga, mimi nitaongoza Susan, Waigoro na wamama wote Kenya tukuje hapo State House kwa gate kukuambia hatuwezi kubali uziwe uoga. Stay focused. You have the support of the women of Kenya, the support of the leaders of this country, and I'm sure it shall be well because God is on the throne. Finally, I must say I am extremely grateful to First Lady and the Second Lady of the Republic of Kenya. With such prayerful women at the helm of our country, the devil will not shake us. And we pray that you continue to hold this nation in prayer, because it's not in vain. Musbarikiwe sana watu wa Nakuru, na tunawakaribisha kule Embu tarehe 1 June, Madaraka Day itakuwa kule Embu. Karibuni sana. God bless you. Asanteni.
Asante sana.